Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by reading the prompt like a detective. Identify inputs, outputs, constraints, and edge examples you must handle. Next, sketch a simple approach on paper. Decide O, N versus O, N log N, choose arrays, maps, or sets, and note edge cases. Then, open the Hackerrank editor and type a minimal function that returns correct sample outputs. Run the provided tests immediately so you know your baseline works. Once your baseline passes samples, implement the main logic in small functions so you can test parts independently. Use console. Log to inspect variables and run both sample and custom edge tests. This reveals off-by-one and type issues fast. Make sure to consider constraints. Avoid extra copies, nested loops that explode, and prefer maps or sets when needed. If a solution is slow, profile by removing work and simplifying loops. To finish, refactor for clarity. Use concise names, remove dead code, and leave brief comments explaining non-obvious steps. Run the full test suite plus random or boundary tests to catch hidden failures. Ensure types match expected input formats and handle empty or null cases. If a test fails, isolate that case, reproduce it locally, and step through logic to find the root cause. Once fixed, rerun all tests and submit only when green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.